Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the link to become a member. I'm joined by Umabura.
Yes, you want to tell me? Yes, done. Namhlanje sidlalile. Chiefs sidlalile. They came to the party.
Yes.
Unfortunately, nathi sidlalile our normal football. Yes, jelo kudlala. Ukuthi namhlanje abonkulunkulu bebhola, football ancestors. Abavumanga ukuthi namhlanje Sundowns uwine le game. Not that ukuthi Chiefs be stronger than Sundowns. No.
Yes.
Ama ancestors were Kaizer Chiefs bavuka wonke namhlanje.
Were they lucky?
Hey, very big lucky, Baba. They got a lucky today.
Yes.
And the goal number 2, it seems like an offside, but I can go
Offside.
But we'll go offside. But at last, for the past 10 years, at least the banana top going to the final in the Nedbank Cup. But I don't think they can beat Orlando Pirates.
They can't beat Pirates.
They can't beat Pirates. It's so ugly team. Just good magic. Our Kulkulba Pola Namtaji. Bavumile ukuthi hayi man iChiefs iSundowns kudala lesiloko sibatrapa labantu for the past 5 years isibashaya bathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi hayi namhlanje achiba wine nyana at least inyana kube ne spirit nyana dala badliwa labantu abona manje basileba onde kanjani sebazophuma nemikhaba manje ngendaba ukuthi ishaya iSundowns
Ayobi Suarez.
Yeah, Suarez is a Sundowns player. Angangithi ngiyamzonda or kanjani ama mistake uSkhostil it's fine uSkhostil anga simbulala phela simbulala ukuthi uSkhostil iplayer yami noma ngiyathanda ngithandi uKhados if ubelivela kuye usazomfaka the next game just yena kumele alungise ama mistake wakhe that to be honest fanele alungise ama mistake akhe he has to rectify his mistake.
Man of the match
and yabona uSirino was guide red especially first half. Usirino was to hold the ball and read in the spaces. Usirino. For me, I'm going Usirino. Yeah, I'm going to
3 goals, 60,000 register in the Nedbankcup.co.za.
And register in tournament since Louis Lawo about Sivaling FC. Hey, what's up with you? But in the done.